Now this has been spec'd unbelievably well. This is a Range Rover Sport SVR, but look at it for starters. Full exterior carbon pack, carbon bonnet, everything done. But it's called Velocity Blue. It's not Estoril Blue, which people tend to think a Range Rover SVR is. That's the bright colour, which I'd probably say 99% of them are. This is a better colour. It's a £6,000 option. It's a stunning, bright, electric SVR palette colour blue. Now this car's got full carbon, so like I said, carbon bonnet, the big inserts here, all in carbon, mirrors on the wings. Look at that, £3,000 option, electric side steps, 22-inch gloss black wheels, contrasting black roof, the right interior, which is the two-tone, which I'll show you, just sets the car off unbelievably well. And we are just selling these cars as soon as they come in, and when they turn up like this, people are online searching, they want Velocity Blue, they want a carbon pack. We've got it. Carbon along the tailgate, you've got that big sports exhaust at the back, 575 horsepower. These cars, we've spoken about it in the past, they're absolute fly machines. But for me, when you're buying one of these, you want one with a spec. Other extras, soft closed doors, great features. And then when you move on inside, it's got that beautiful two-tone SVR sports seats in ivory and black. You've then got your sliding panoramic roof. You've got your beautiful ambient lighting. This car's covered 16,100 miles, but it's all about the spec, this car. Sounds absolutely awesome. Sliding roof, heated steering wheel, seats, another extras. Obviously, these cars come pretty fully loaded anyway, but this car, heated seats and cooled seats, that's extra. It's just, you know, what a car. Other extras, heated steering wheel. You've got things like your reversing camera, cruise control. This car's still under warranty till 2022, so you've still got warranty till next year. Sounds unbelievable. And this, I'm just adding up the extras in my head. Electric side steps, £3,000. The colour, £6,000. Full carbon exterior pack. It's ridiculous the amount of extras that have been put on this car. Again, in the back, rear heated seats, rear climate control. What a car. £92,990. Call us, reserve it, get it bought. Look at this colour. Obviously, boot space on a Range Rover, loads of boot space, so they're so practical. And that's why we sell so many of them, because people want the power, they want the performance, but they want it to be practical as well. But that car with the carbon, Velocity Blue, Range Rover Sport with a full carbon pack,